stupid proof, as you can tell. Now in this next step, I'm going to walk you through how to install a WordPress theme and import a starter template. After this, you're going to have a really nice looking blog on your website. With that said, let's jump back to the video. Okay, now before going any further, I recommend to disable all plugins. You're going to find that there's a lot of plugins on your website that you don't really need that create pop-ups and animations, so I recommend to disable them. So over here under plugins, let's click on installed plugins. And I recommend to deactivate all plugins. So here, I'll go ahead and deactivate them. This is hostingers like Onboard Wizard, and while they are cool, they're just really unnecessary. They create a lot of pop-ups and ads, and they're just not really needed. So after we disable the plugins, let's install a WordPress theme. Over here under Appearance, let's click on Themes. At the top, I'll click on Add Theme. And here is a list of available free themes. Now, I've been through the ins and outs on all these WordPress themes, and there is one theme that stands out as the best blogging theme. Here's the theme I recommend to install. It is called Bloxy. If you cannot find this, here at the top under Search Themes, we can type in Bloxy. And here's the theme I recommend to install. So under the Install button, click on Install. Then we'll click on Activate. All right, cool. Once we do that, we're now going to install the Bloxy Companion plugin. So right here, you'll get this notice that says Install Bloxy Companion. Go ahead and install this plugin. This gives you access to more features and also the demo templates. All right, cool. So once you do that, it'll bring you to the Bloxy dashboard. Here you can access starter templates. You can turn on specific features. You can also check out their other useful plugins, and any updates with Bloxy will also appear right here. Let's click on Starter Sites. Now there's a variety of different templates that you can install. If you want to filter here at the top, you can filter this by specific categories. You can also see all of the free templates by clicking on free. There are some that are in the pro version, but you don't need to upgrade to the pro just yet. Now I recommend to install this template right here. It is called Consultant. It's with this woman, pointing her finger. Under Consultant, go ahead and click on Imports. Now it's going to ask you which page builder you want to install. I definitely recommend to install Elementor. It is hands down the best WordPress page builder for WordPress. Once you click on Elementor, you'll click on Next. Next is going to install all the options, widgets, and content on your website. So go ahead and click on Next, click on Install. And after waiting about 1 minute, it's now going to import all the demo content onto your website. So just give this process like 1 minute. All right, awesome. The starter site has been imported successfully. So go ahead and click on View Site. And voila, here is our brand new blogging website. Pretty cool, right? So this is a blog for consultation for businesses, but of course you can turn this blog into anything just by adjusting the text and changing the images. Scrolling down, you'll see that it imported a bunch of demo content, and you can choose to either change the images and use this demo content, or you can completely get rid of it. It's really up to you. Here we have some, just some upsells and some information about our blog and what we're doing. Here, if people are curious about your expertise, they can even book a consultation. This is using a plugin called Fluent Forms. It's not required, but you can use it to book consultations on your blogging websites. And then at the bottom here, we have a footer at the bottom. So let's go ahead and scroll up. Now here is the blogging page. So let's click on News. And here is a list of blog posts that were automatically propagated when we imported the starter templates. So these are blog posts with featured images. We have categories, the title of the blog post, and then here we have some excerpt content. And if we scroll down, this is an idea of what your blog will look like. So it'll look something like this when you change the images and obviously write your own blog post. On the right side, we have this little subscription box, and then we have featured articles here on the right side. So all the blog posts that you create will be automatically propagated on the news section of your websites. I'll show you how to adjust it a little bit later, but let's go back to the home page. So now that we have this beautiful template on our website,